Hey guys, this is LCG 119, so I'm going to show you guys a few of the highlights as we're going through the home stretch. The biggest portion to our cabinetry work is the fact that we don't use scribe moldings or furniture base in areas that we really don't need to. It makes it a lot cleaner and less unnecessary pieces that we need to install. So a scribe molding essentially is a little piece of molding that you would put against the wall, or in this case against the floor to hide the cracks. So instead of using extra molding to hide a crack from the cabinet to the floor, I scribed all these cabinets to the floor. Obviously this side, this cabinet was scribed to the wall as well, and the fillers scribed to the wall. So to us that's a huge piece when we do cabinetries. The less moldings the better, it keeps it cleaner.